Hello friends, and in today's video we are going to discuss about WhatsApp for Business, how we can use WhatsApp for Business to generate leads and how to nurture leads. What are the features that makes it very handy for any businessman and how you can use it. In my previous video you have already seen that how we can generate leads from WhatsApp through website, through SMS, through click to chat buttons, through mail, through signatures, and you can also send cold WhatsApp messages from your list. In today's video, we should discuss about why we should use WhatsApp for Business, and secondly, what are the features, what makes it different, right? So let us see, what are the features in WhatsApp Business, and what are the options in that. Let us see that. So let me open WhatsApp for Business, and you see group, broadcast, labels, WhatsApp web, and start messages and settings. So let me share you something. Before we go into that, let us see the full scope of this. Just give me a moment. So this is the entire scope of WhatsApp for Business, and let's see what are the things we can do. First thing is you can use WhatsApp web. That is not a new feature. You had option to use it WhatsApp web for normal WhatsApp also. You can create groups, you can broadcast messages, you can star messages. There are some new features in WhatsApp for Business, and let us discuss those features. So messaging has a very good feature, like basically you can send an auto reply to a new contact. Suppose somebody sends you a message through any channel, you can send them a greetings message. So in that greetings message you can tell about what you do, what is your website, how to contact, who you are, and what all you can offer. Okay, you can send away message. For example, you don't want to reply to WhatsApp messages during non-office hours, you can send a WhatsApp message that I'm not here and probably I'll reply to your message once I'm back. Then there is a beautiful feature called quick replies, where you can create templates. For example, suppose there are 20 questions people normally ask: what is your website, what products do you have, do you work in this city, are you open now? There can be anything, it differs from business to business. So you can create your customized quick replies, and you can just send it easily. I'll show you how to do. The most powerful features are basically two things: is the business profile, the name, address, phone number, email address, website. You can put your map there, you can put your office timing, you can create a 2-line 3-line short description. You can also show the catalog. Now the other thing is the business catalog. As I said, in the business catalog you can display product image, product name, price, description, and link to that product. So probably they can click on that and they can go to the landing page or the product purchase page and page and do something. Another important feature is labels. You have suppose thousands of messages, so how to segregate those messages, and how to use it for lead nurturing basically. So let's say you are getting a message, so you can, let's say you are doing a lead generation and you get a WhatsApp message, you talk to them, and you can mark it as a hot lead or a warm lead or a cold lead. You can mark it as a send proposal, or do something, like whatever. You have to be innovative, and you can do that. So that is the first and primary use. And let us see link. Yes, you can see the link also. Now let us go back to the practical thing. I'll see some features and see how you can do it, right? So I'll go back to I'll show you some actual screen so that you can see how you can use WhatsApp for web. So this is how my screen looks. The WhatsApp for web screen looks. Let's go and see one by one. First and foremost thing is the settings and the business tools. In the business tool, there is something called a business profile. So you can put a cover picture there, your number is there, your say business account it says. Then you have a short description, what is your business about, your map is there, your category is there, your office timings are there, you have your email ID, you have your website. The catalog is uh, by default displayed here, and once you click on the catalog, you can see what are the products that are offered basically. So let's say I click on this product. So there is an image. You can add multiple images, by the way, and there is a price to this. There is a summary of that product, and there is a link to that. So if I click on that link, I can directly go to that page. So I can forward that catalog to any of the contacts, and that catalog goes to that group, right? So when I click on that product, it shows me the same thing, right? So what I showed you is the your view and what the other person will see. Then there is an about option. Let us go to the catalog in detail and try to add a product. You can add any number of products, and you can use it for your use. So basically, when somebody asks what are the products you have, do you have this product or something, you don't have to type it there. You can just quickly send it, and it saves time, and the other person is also amazed. So while adding a product, you can add multiple images. As you can see, there is an item name, price, description, link, and item code. And this is a beautiful feature. So you need to add these features, and people will be able to see. So how to send a catalog? Basically, let me show you. Let's say you want to send a catalog. All you have to do is you click on this attach button in the bottom, and you are already aware of document, gallery, audio, or location, contact. I'll not go into that. I'll go to the catalog. I'll select which product to send, and just say send. So this image, this summary goes, and when the viewer clicks on this, they see your catalog. As simple as that, as powerful as that. Let us see the other features. There is a powerful messaging tool embedded here. Away message is something, let's say, automatically reply message when you are away. For example, last week I was not feeling well. I took an off. So I said, okay, I will enable the away message and send it to whoever messages me. So you can schedule your message. For example, you have set your business hours, so you can say always, you can select that always send, or custom schedule that from this time to this time you should send, or this is the message itself. Sorry, suppose you have gone on a holiday, you can do that, or you can just say outside business hours. So you have already set your business hours in your setting and business profile, and you can select whom to send. To everyone not in address book. For example, you have added a contact and you want to send it to new people, right? So you can just do that. So, or you can say everyone except somebody, or only send to, you want to send a away message to somebody, that also you can do. This is a powerful thing. Then there is a greeting message. Somebody, let's say somebody doesn't, you do not know somebody is sending you message for the first time. You can send a greeting message and tell about your business. So here you can include your this is a greeting message I had added during New Year, so that I don't have to type it for everyone. You can put anything. You can put your website. Hi, I'm Shivram. I do digital marketing consulting, and you can get in touch with me at this email ID. Visit this website. Something, anything you want to put. Again, you can decide whom to send. Everyone not in address book. Everyone except, you can select some numbers, or only send to some numbers, right? This is again a powerful tool. This is the best thing about the quick reply. For example, your businesses uh, get so many queries, people send you WhatsApp messages about, they ask so many things. So if somebody says hi, so what I do is I'll just say your intro to them. If I want to ask a question, I can say Q. Suppose somebody asks a website, so I can just click on this. So this is a customized link that, suppose you want to know about this, go to this package. Suppose there was a customized message for pay for lead. So I have created a message. So how to send this quick replies? So you can add many numbers, add many quick replies to this, and you can just have to type slash and it will show you option. Let me show you how to use the quick reply options. Let's say somebody asks, okay, what do you do? All you need to do is click on, so whenever you want to send a quick reply, you just need to type slash and all the quick replies show it here. So for example, if I say T, so all the quick replies starting with the T are showing it here. So there is a short code for your quick reply and there is a detailed message. So you can select either from here. If I say Q, by default, this quick reply comes here and I send it. As easy as that. So you can have as many quick replies as you can and you can use it for your thing. Another beautiful thing that you can use it is labels. You can categorize your labels. You can basically categorize your messages to different labels. The feature is there so that you can segment it, and that's why I say that you can segment your leads basically. So I have segmented warm lead, hot lead, and pay for lead. Some queries had come, DS leads are there, HKB is something else, school leads are there. So if I want to see all the hot leads, I can just click on this and it will show me all the hot leads, right? Then if I want to see all the pay for leads, I can select on that and all the pay for leads are showing it here. So you can add as many level, you can color code it and you can segment it. So for example, you want to quickly access somebody and send messages to them, you can click on that, you can select and you can send them something, right? So you can select multiple and you can mark address, mute notification, archive, select all. You can delete, do whatever you want. Okay, you can change the labels or something, or you can do bulk actions. Now, any other features we have left? Yes, you can do broadcast group. I will not go to that. There is a beautiful feature called start message, and when you see, if you think that you want some important message to be at one place, so you can just star it and those messages will be shown to you one by one. So how intelligently you want to use your WhatsApp depends on WhatsApp for Business depends on you. There are features loaded for it. So you can send quick replies, you can send away messages, you can send auto reply, you can label your leads, you can label your messages, you can segment them, you can broadcast them, you can star them, you can search or do whatever you want. So use it, use your intelligence, use your smartness, and use WhatsApp for your business growth. It has been helping me a lot, and I'm sure like it will help you also. So thank you for watching this video. If you find this useful, do share it, do comment if you want to know something more about WhatsApp or WhatsApp business, and do subscribe to my channel. If you are in Facebook, follow my page, and do share this video if you find this useful. You can visit my website for similar tips and tricks and many other things on digital marketing by visiting shivaram.com, flashed here on the right top corner. So thank you for watching and have a good time. Bye.